Hey guys, it's the Train Buddy again. I'm playing Slender Woods. And, yeah, we should continue back where we were at. Unless we're not at that part where I got scared to death, like my friend did on his video. Because of the lights where Slender starts to come. Oh gosh, it was terrible, terrible, terrible. I gotta wait for it to load again. Brian, what did I tell you?
It won't work whenever I try to.
You don't press it down all the way.
Fine, I'll turn it down all the way.
I'm talking about the controller. It's doing that lagging crap again. Auto. Yes. Oh my god. Turn. So I'm at this place. Yep. Right, just go! Go! Where should I go? Let's take a left. Oh god. Whew. I'm on a roll. I haven't seen Slender yet. And I don't want to see him ever. Yeah, you know. This looks nice. Oh, notes. This place you should get in. There's no one here and there's no working phone. Right, you don't get. God damn it! I'm practically trapped in this forest. Tried to get over the fence on the way to the mansion, but that creature immediately appeared on the other side waiting for me. It's everywhere and it will not let me escape. I constantly look back to see if it's there. No one sees that. The more I look at it, the more painful my headache becomes. What the hell is happening to me? Say, can't hide anymore. I'll kill this thing. I'm going to the sawmill. There's gonna be some kind of weapon. Or a chainsaw, at least. I would kill that abomination, even if it's the last thing I ever do. No, because Slender Man's still alive. Yes. in there? Behind me. There's gotta be a key somewhere. Wait, minute hand. Nope. Found the hour hand. So I guess gotta go back downstairs and. This, because there's a barrel over here. Oh, never mind. Hold on, guys. I gotta pause this. Never mind. Actually, shush. Hold on. I'm making a video for my great fans and other people. Slenderman's down here. Actually, if you don't look away. Hold on! Hold on! I will! You're ruining my video. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. If you don't be quiet, I'm telling Mom. You come here. And it's gonna be the end of this video. Because my little siblings won't shut up. They're pop-bops. And it's 10 minutes. I can only record for 10 minutes. So, like and subscribe if this video was amazing. If you want to see my other videos that I'm going to be posting. And yes, pretty much that's it.
Get away from the door!
For this. Oh yes, like I said, like and subscribe if you like this video.